Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you a huge Nykaa haul. So guys, this time I have shopped quite a lot from Nykaa and I think I should share this with you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So guys, I have ordered quite a few things from Nykaa and the orders are not coming together. So I have just collected all the orders and I am just showing this to you now. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this makeup removing water. This is a Garnier Micellar water. So guys, I really like this Garnier Micellar water and I use it in my daily basis because in my daily life I don't wear so much makeup and especially I don't wear eye makeup. I just wear my foundation and my lipstick and I am good to go. So for that case, this is really very easier to remove my makeup. And if I talk about removing eye makeups with this, it does a good job, but it takes a little more time. So in that case I prefer to remove my makeup with oil. So this is my first product. So the next product I want to show you guys is a shampoo. So this time I have shopped quite a lot shampoo from Nykaa, but this shampoo I have shopped in my previous haul, but I just missed it. I just kept it in my bathroom and I forgot to show it to you. So as you can see guys, I have emptied half the bottle. So the bottle looks like this. And as I am using this, I can say that this shampoo is really very nice. It has a very nice fragrance and it also looks very nice. And packaging की अगर मैं बात करूँ, I don't like the packaging so much because it's a really, can you see guys, it is a very flimsy packaging, but the product is very nice. Guys, I will be attaching all the links in the description box below of this product. So if you like to buy any of these products, just go and check the links from my video. And the prices of these all products I will be attaching in the screen, so you can check it out from there because I don't remember all the prices of these products. So let's quickly see the next product. So as I have said that I have shopped quite a lot shampoos from Nykaa this time. So this is my next shampoo and this is my go-to favorite shampoo. This is Head and Shoulders and the packaging looks like this. So guys, I use this shampoo since my school days because from that time I really started having dandruffs in my scalp. So Head and Shoulders really helps to remove dandruffs from your scalp. So I really love this shampoo. No matter what shampoo I use in my daily life, but Head and Shoulders is something which I can't really miss out. So I just love Head and Shoulders for this. It really removes dandruff from your scalp. If you have dandruff, then just go for this shampoo. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. So the next product I have is a aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel is from BoroPlus and it is quite a herbal product, I think. The packaging looks like this. It is a normal tube packaging guys, and this is quite big, and according to the price point I think this is very affordable, and I have used it just for once, so I just can't give a review of this right now because I have to use all the products for like 2 or 3 weeks, especially any skincare product. Someone have to use 2 or 3 weeks or for a month to give a proper review of this. So I just can't fake my subscriber by just giving a review after using it for once or twice. So maybe in my coming videos I will share the review of these products. So this is my next product, and then I got myself a scrubber. So this is a face scrub. This is from Mamaearth and this is Cocoa Face Scrub. So I have watched quite a lot review videos about this product. So I thought let's give it a try. So guys, normally I use Osea Herbal Anti-Tan Scrub, बट दिस टाइम आई थिंक इसको भी ट्राई करके देखते हैं। बहुत ही अच्छा रिव्यू मैंने पढ़ा था इसके बारे में और सुना भी था। I didn't use it till now. Let's see how it comes out. So, what these skincare products actually affects differently on different skin types. So, guys, I really have a acne prone and sensitive skin, and I don't know how it will work on me. Let's see. I didn't use it till now, but I will surely review it in my next video. So the next product I have is also a shampoo, and this is from Tresemme, and this is a very big bottle, guys, and this is really very heavy. Just look at the packaging. This is written 580 rupees on the bottle. I don't know, I mean, I didn't remember whether I got any discount on this or not. I will attach the price on the screen so you can just see from there. And this packaging is really very sturdy, and it comes in a pump packaging. I never have used Tresemme shampoo for me. My friends use this, and they say that it works for them very nicely. So I thought of giving it a try. And I have a conditioner of Tresemme with this, and this packaging looks like this. So this is not a very big bottle, but I have purchased a combo of these two. So guys, the next product I have with me is a mascara, and this is from Blue Heaven, and this looks like this. The packaging is really nice. I mean, most of the mascaras are packed like this. So let's see the product. And this mascara is really very affordable, and I'm wearing it right now. Can you see, guys? I'm not wearing any false lashes, and I really love this mascara. This is really very affordable, and this spoolie is also very nice. And I have been using this mascara since last 1 year, and this really is very nice. And this is also waterproof, guys. So the next product I have with me is a face powder, and this is from Facious Canada. I haven't used any face powder or any product from Facious Canada before. This is my first time using this, and this packaging is really very nice. Can you see, guys? I really love this packaging. It really keeps the face products, I mean any compact powder or any blushes, really safe. And the inner packaging looks like this. And when you open it, you normally get a puff and a clear plastic cover. So I didn't use it, so I can't say how it stays or how it works. I have another face powder with me, and this is from Maybelline. This is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and I use this in my daily life, and I really like this powder. So the outer packaging looks like this, and the inner packaging, this comes in a plastic wrap. And these compact powders are really very affordable, guys. So if you are a beginner or a college going girl, this will really very nice for you. So it also comes with a puff and a plastic, okay, like this. So guys, along with the Fit Me compact powder, I just received a gift. I mean, it was on the offer, and this is a pop socket, as you can see. This comes in a normal plastic packaging, and this is a Ziploc packet, which I really like. And the pop socket is of a really very good quality. And this is a lip shape pop socket. So guys, you just need to remove this sticker first, which was at the back, and then you need to attach this on your phone, and you can insert your finger in the ring like this, and this will really help your phone to be fixed on your hand and not falling off on your face. So this is really nice guys, I really like it. So the next product I have with me is a eyeshadow palette, and this is from Swiss Beauty, and this palette looks like this. This is a very nice cardboard packaging, and these Swiss Beauty products are really very affordable, and they are very good quality products, and their pigmentation of all the eyeshadows which I have used till now is really very nice. So the inner packaging looks like this. So this is a face palette, you can say, because it contains a blush, a contour shade and a highlight shade, and there are 6 eyeshadow shades also, and the eyeshadow shades are shimmer shades. You don't have any matte shades or any glitter shades here. So the pigmentation of these colors are really very nice. Let me just show a, okay, just this is a blush shade, and oh my god, this is really very nice. Okay, let me swatch the contour shade one. Can you see guys? This highlighter and a blush shade is really very nice. The contour shade is a bit chalky but not that bad. And let me just swatch 2 eyeshadow shades for you. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, just see the pigmentation. I just love this. Can you see guys? So this palette is just awesome guys. At this price point you are getting a palette which contains 6 shimmer shades, and all the shades are really very beautiful. You have a violet one, you have a bronze color, you have a pink or reddish kind of a color, you have a blue, you have a green, and you have a copper color, and then you are also getting a highlighter and a contour shade and a blush shade. So this is really very nice. So let me quickly show you the next product. So the next product is again a aloe vera gel. So guys, I am really using aloe vera gels right now very much in my skincare routine. So I just ordered myself 2 of them, so I just can give a review of these 2 products. I mean, I just can compare these 2 products and say which one is better and which one is worth buying. So this is from Wow, and this is a natural aloe vera gel. So this packaging is really very nice guys. Can you see? It is a kind of aloe vera lip shape packaging. This is a bit pricey than the BoroPlus aloe vera gel, but I think this will be nice. I mean, it doesn't have any fragrance, so you can say that it doesn't contain any artificial fragrance in it. And with this I get a free gift, and this is a Wow apple cider vinegar hair mask. So I didn't use any hair mask till now. Let me see how this works on me, or on whether it actually has any effect. I don't know. I will surely be updating you in some of my next videos maybe. So guys, I have been watching recently many videos on Wow products, especially their aloe vera gel and their hair care products, shampoos and conditioners and all of that. So I am really very excited to try both of this. So let's see how this works on me. So guys, the next product I have with me is from K-Beauty, and this K-Beauty is a brand of Katrina Kaif, and this is a contour stick. I have picked up the darkest shade among this range, and let me see the inner packaging. I didn't really open it till now. Okay, so this contour stick looks like this. The outer packaging is a normal cardboard packaging, and this is color coded. So this is not a affordable one, because this retails around 500 or more than 500 I think, and you are getting this much of quantity. So I will not say this is a high-end product, because I mean, this is not affordable or not that much expensive. I mean, this is definitely not for beginners, because for beginners a contour stick of 500 and above I don't think is worth buying, because they are just trying their with their makeups. So I don't think, but I just picked it to see how this brand is. So let me just swatch it for you. This is really a very dark shade. I don't know till now how it works. I didn't try it out, but let me see how it works. So guys, the next product I have with me is a concealer, and this is from Inside Cosmetics. And this is really very affordable, guys. This is very good for beginners, and this is actually a concealer, but I have picked it in the darkest shade among the range, because I want to use it as my contour. So let me see the inner packaging. So here it comes. This is normal a tube packaging, and there is a kind of brush attached in the end. So you can really, you just need to push it a little bit, and you can just blend it with this brush. Okay, this is quite pigmented and I really like it, guys. And this brush really makes it easier to blend. So this is very nice. I really like it. So guys, the next product I have with me is from Lakme, and it is Lakme 925 Natural Gel Makeup Remover. So guys, I have used oil makeup remover, but I didn't use any gel makeup remover before this. So I don't know how it will work, but the packaging looks like this. This is not very affordable, but I think this price is okay about the product quantity we are getting in this. So this is in normal a tube packaging, and this color is really very nice. This is such a pastel green color. I really like the color of the packaging. So the next product I have with me is a nail polish remover, and this is from Inside Cosmetics, and this contains 30 wipes in it. So I have never used this kind of nail polish removers. I just used normal liquid nail polish remover, and which is very popular. I think you all guys use this, but I don't know whether you have used this type of nail polish remover ever. So I will definitely update you about how this works. So I have a really nice hope with this product. So this packaging is really nice, and here is the wipes. So then I have a lipstick with me. This lipstick is from Lotus Herbals, and the packaging is like this. This packaging is really very nice, guys. This is a sort of pastel golden, I don't know how to explain the color, but this is the product. This is a orange or a coral shade, you can say. This shade is really very nice, guys. This is a matte finish lipstick, but this is not that matte. I mean, this will not dry out your lips. So the next product I have with me is also from Lakme, and this is a nail polish. This is from their nail art collection. I have purchased 2 more nail polish in my previous haul, and I really like those nail polish, so I think I should get myself another one. This is really very nice. It contains some white and red sort of a glitters in this. So the next product I have with me, and this is the last product of this haul. This is a Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This comes in 6 different shades, and I have picked myself the gold one. This is a very mini liquid eyeshadow, and if you are in a hurry and you just want to do a party kind of eyeshadow look, I mean if you are going to some wedding or a party, then you can just use this, and this is really very nice, guys. And the applicator is like this, and let me just show you the swatch. Oh my god, guys, this is really very nice. This is sort of a liquidish eyeshadow. This is really very metallic kind of finish. I really like this. I will definitely buy myself the other shades. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to comment down below what you think of my videos, and all the links of these products will be in the description box below, so please go and check it out. And also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.